Hello everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make a perfume bottle in 3D using AutoCAD. First, we need to make sure that we are using the correct units. So we're going to type the unit command and enter centimeters. And for the precision, normally I'd use the whole numbers, but we could use up to one decimal place. Then press OK. So after setting the units, we're gonna make the base of the cover of the perfume bottle. So we're gonna type in the polygon, enter 6 as the number of sides, and pick any point as the center. Now we're gonna choose inscribe in circle, and the radius should be 35. So after making the polygon, we're gonna zoom in to have a better look. And we're now going to make the cross section of the body. So we're gonna type the line and then look for the center of the polygon, and we are going to measure 5 centimeters along the z-axis. That's why I'm using the isometric view here. And so apparently the line that we've made is facing a different plane. So we're going to use the 3D rotate command to rotate the base of the neck to our desired plane. So here we've set it to 270 degrees. Now that we have the center of the neck on a desired plane, we are now going to make the rest of the cross section of the neck of the bottle of perfume. So we're gonna make a line command here, and again this is for the radius of the neck, which is 5 cm. And we're going to make another line to create the rest of the neck of the bottle. So again, this is for 5 centimeters. At this point, we're now going to make the body of the bottle. So we're going to start from the center of the neck, and we're going to make a radius, which is the cross section of the bottle, for 32.5 centimeters. And then we're going to make another line, which is the length of the body, the bottle, and that's for 65 centimeters. And we're going to complete the cross section of the bottle by making another line for 32.5 centimeters. We're going to offset the top portion by 2 centimeters, and then we're going to offset the bottom part of the bottle by 10 centimeters. And finally, we're going to copy the side of the wall of the bottle and paste it 2 centimeters into the center of the towards the center of the bottle. Now, after making the interior walls, we're now going to fillet all the corners to make sure that all the corners are smooth once we revolve this cross section. So we're gonna set the radius for 2 cm, and we're now going to fillet the upper inner wall. Now we're going to fillet the lower inner wall. Now we're going to fillet the upper outer wall. And finally, we're going to fillet the lower outer wall. Now we're gonna delete this excess line here. At this point, we're gonna make uh, the straw where the perfume should come out. So we're going to use the spline command here. So we're gonna click on the center of the inner wall as the start of the tube. Then we're going to press 2 points of the spline, one of which is touches the inner wall of the bottle. Now to make the tube, we're going to make a circle with a radius of 0.5 centimeters and put it at the end of the spline. And now we're going to use the sweep command, selecting first the circle and then the spline as the path. At this point, we can now revolve the body and the neck of the perfume bottle. So we're going to select everything excluding the tube. Now we're going to use the revolve command and then set the axis from the outer wall, from the bottom of the outer wall, and set the other axis at the top of the center of the neck. And then we're going to enter 360 for the degrees of revolution. And here we go. We now have the body and the neck of the perfume bottle. Now we're going to go to the isometric view and select the base, the polygon base that we've made earlier, and we are going to click on the extrude command and set the height for 30 centimeters. And once that's done, that's it. We now have completed a 3D model of a bottle of perfume. Thank you very much for watching and have a good day.